Okay. Good afternoon, 7th class students. Chapter 3 simple equations. First Roman exercise 2. First Roman solve the equations. Solve the following equations without transporting and check your result. Solve the following equations without transporting and check your result. Two sums I told you know. Third sum. Let us see how to do this. 3x plus 4 is equal to 3x plus 4 is equal to 90. If 4 is there now, see subtract 4 on both sides. Subtract 4 on both sides. Subtract 4 on both sides. See 3x plus 4. 3x plus 4 subtract now. Subtract means minus. Minus 4 is equal to 19 minus 4. Minus 4 minus 4 0 no 3x is equal to 19 minus 4 how much 15. Okay now. Next divide 3 on both sides. Divide 3 on ds means both sides. Divide 3 on both sides. 3x by 3 is equal to 15 by 3. 3 cancel. 3 goes in 15 how many times? 5 times. X is equal to how much? 5. X is equal to 5. Then check the result. Check the result now. Check or verify. Check. What is given? 3x plus 4 is equal to 19, right? See, replace x is equal to 5, right? Replace x is equal to 5. Replace x is equal to 5. In place of x, you have to substitute 5. 3 into 3x means 3 into xn. 3 into in place of x 5, right? 3 into 5 plus 4 is equal to 19. 3 into 5 15. 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. 15 plus 4 how much? 19 is equal to 19. Here both sides equal no. LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. See, once again I will explain lesson. Solve the following equations without transporting and check your result. 3x plus 4 is equal to 19 is given. 3x plus 4 is equal to 19. See, plus 4 is there now. Subtract 4 on both sides. Subtract means minus. Both sides. Minus 4 and 3x plus 4 minus 4. 19 minus 4. 4 minus 4 0 no. 3x. 3x is equal to 19 minus 4 15. Next divide 3 on both sides. Divide 3. 3x by 3, 15 by 3. 3 cancel. 3 goes in 15 5 times. X is equal to 5. Check. 3x plus 4 is equal to 19. Replace x is equal to 5. In place of x 5, you have to substitute in the given equation. 3 into 3x means 3 into xn. 3 into in place of x 5, right? 3 into 5 plus 4. 3 5 is 15. 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. 19 is equal to 19. Both sides are equal. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. Okay, note down in this sum. Okay, children. Fourth sum, 9z is equal to 81. Solve the following equations without transposing and check your result. Fourth sum, 9z is equal to 81. See, let us see how to do this. 9z is equal to 81. See, divide 9 on both sides. Divide 9 on both sides. BS means both sides. Okay, divided by 9. 9z by 9 is equal to 81 by 9. 9 z by 9 is equal to 81 by 9. 9 cancel now. 9 goes in 81 how many times? 9 times. Okay na? Z is equal to how much? 9. Z is equal to 9. Check the result. Check. 9z is equal to 81, right? 9z is equal to 81. Replace z is equal to 9, right? Replace z is equal to 9, right? In place of z, what you have to write? 9. 9 into z is 9 into, in place of z, 9, right? 9 into 9 is equal to 81. 9 9 is 81. 81 is equal to 81. LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. Hence verified. Hence verified. Hence verified. Understood, children? Okay, note down. Okay, children. Second Roman, first Roman over second Roman. Solve the following equations by transposing the terms and check your results. Solve the second Roman. Solve the following equations. Solve the following equations. Solve the following equations by transposing the terms and check your result. See, first sum 2 plus y is equal to 7. 2 plus y is equal to 7. See, let us see how to do this. 2 plus y is equal to 7. Y is equal to plus 2 goes to that side. Plus 2 goes to minus 2. Y is equal to 7 minus 2, 5. See, plus 2 plus goes to minus. 2 plus y is equal to 7. Plus 2 goes to that side. Minus 7. Right hand side as it is. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5. Check. 2 plus y is equal to 7. 2 plus y is equal to 7. Replace y is equal to 5, right? Replace y is equal to 5. Replace y is equal to 5. In place of 5, you have to write 5. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 2 plus 5 how much? 7 is equal to 7. LHS is equal to RHS. LHS means left hand side is equal to right hand side. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. See, once again I will explain. Listen. Solve the following equations by transposing the terms and check your result. What is given question? First question, 2 plus y is equal to 7. See, terms, so plus goes to minus, minus goes to plus, into goes to divided by goes to into. Here plus 2 is given now. 2 plus y is equal to 7. Right hand side as it is. Plus 2 goes to the right hand side. So minus. Y is equal to 7 minus 5 is equal to 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5. Check. 2 plus y is equal to 7. Replace y is equal to 5, right? In place of y, you have to write 5. 2 plus y value 5 is equal to 7. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 is equal to 7. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, verified. Okay, children, I hope you understood. Copy down in CW. Okay, homeworks I will give you. Everybody do it and send me back. Thank you.